If you had to wave a magic wand, what would get us out of this jam with these ports?
I'd say two things primarily. The first is we've got to focus on labor at the last mile, first mile. So that's getting the product from, let's say, our intermodal ramp into a distribution warehouse. We need truck drivers and we need distribution warehouse workers. So number one is labor. And number two is we got to get the Delta variant under control. That's a global supply chain issue, and that needs to be satisfied by vaccination, I think.
All right, so let's take the first one. Someone presumably wants these jobs. We do have 340 million people in this country. If you pay people enough, won't they take those jobs?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think we're probably seeing a little spillover effect from very generous unemployment benefits that kept the working population a little bit lower than it would be normally. And I think people are also sitting on a fair amount of cash that's indicated by the savings rate as well as the account deposits that we all are enjoying. But over time, I think these jobs are paying more, whether you're a truck driver or working in a DC center. And I suspect those jobs are going to be filled over time.
If that's the case, then we can start factoring in a turn in intermodal, which has long been our favorite part of Union Pacific.
Yeah, you know, UP has a very good franchise, and it's beyond intermodal. We have a wonderful industrial franchise and a bulk franchise, but intermodal is important to us. And I heard you talking about the West Coast ports, and they're never a liability. Okay. We serve wonderful inbound ports for U.S. consumers, and we're looking forward to a time when the supply chain is a little bit more balanced out.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.